Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw on BullX. Alright, let's begin. To withdraw from BullX Neo, start by accessing the Wallet Manager. Ensure you have some Solana in your BullX wallet. Click on the Withdraw button, then select the option to add a withdrawal wallet. Here, enter your wallet name. For instance, mine is Phantom. Next, paste the receiving address from your Phantom wallet. To get this address, open your Phantom wallet extension in Google Chrome. Log in to your wallet and click on the Receive option. Make sure to select Solana and copy the address provided. Now, return to BullX and paste the copied address into the designated field. After that, click on Add Wallet. Your wallet is now successfully added. From the Withdrawal option, select your BullX wallet that contains Solana and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. For example, you can type in 0.005 Solana. In the withdrawal options, select your Phantom wallet address that you just added. Finally, click on the withdrawal button and you're all set. So that's basically how you can withdraw on BullX. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.